Hi, welcome to my channel. This channel is against the current view of astronomy. I say that we can go to these galaxies. It seems to you strange or not, we can go here as simply clouds. So in each video are cut from other videos and I comment what they are saying. You see, this is a great question, like this.
So that's a great question.
So this is like a custom on NASA channel. Oh, great question. This is a great question. I will answer. This is a great question. So there is a Star Trek episode. So some dudes entered in a space station only with this everything that were saying. This is a stupid question. They were give themselves like generals and some and everything they were telling was this is a stupid question. Okay, so Brian Greene was the origin of water on Earth. So listen.
So there's been a long debate about where water on Earth came from.
So that's a great question.
So there's been a long debate about where water on Earth came from. And I know that this has gone back and forth over the decades. Was it comets that brought water to Earth? Was it asteroids that brought water to Earth? I remember there were studies, and I'm probably out of date, that the ratio of heavy water to ordinary water in asteroids seemed to better match the ratio that we found on Earth, which was sort of tipping the scales toward asteroids. Where do we stand on that, and does Benno give us any further insight into that question?
You see, so from each video I cut from other videos, I'm commenting the origin of water on Earth is like it is rare, but I'm telling you a thing. We cannot see the universe. You see, this term universe in the Bible is not mentioning this term. Unique verse, like a single spoken sentence. God in the Bible spoke many times, so that's why it is referring like a skies and earth for many reasons. Okay, skies and earth. Sky is even a plural, like on or Mars, you have a sky. On another planet, we have another sky. Skies, God made the skies and earth. So you see the universe.
So as we look out into the universe, and we now...
Universe, you see, universe. This is a stupid question. So the water on Earth, from where it come from? First of all, you see NASA search for water on Mars planet, Venus planets, and all our galaxies made underwater. And the Bible says, and the Spirit of God was above the deep of the water. So in the beginning, God created the skies and earth. You see, not the universe, the skies and earth. So in the beginning, we do not know how the matter appeared, like the elements, the gold, the silver, you see, oxygen, and in the beginning, like in a philosophical principle, like having dealing with the time, you understand that where the water was in the same time with the gold, because even this they are giving in different manner. The hydrogen, they say, was first, and from hydrogen was making itself in gold and things like this. This is the original story. I'm against okay. So they are searching for water, but first of all, you must know that our galaxy is full of water. So watch another part from these guys, and I'll speak more. I made a short video today. I only wanted to tell you that our galaxy is made under the water and is full of water. So, what a great question.
Solar System Exploration Research Virtual Institute. Hello. Welcome, Phil. Some samples from an asteroid in hand, as we will see. So welcome, Jessica.
So that's a great question.
Phil, yeah, why don't you start?
Okay.
And then,
I mean, it does keep going back and forth. And basically, you've got kind of one of three choices, so asteroids or comets, so those would be falling in after Earth had formed. And the other is, did we kind of...
Intrinsic. Yeah.
Did we accrete material that was then degassed? And people still fight about that. I mean, my feeling is with all of these things is probably a bit of all three.
Right.
So if you watch that, what a stupid question. So let me tell you like this, how do you are tricked? The universe, the universe, the universe, the universe. Summing these galaxies, you are believing as a gravitational system, like a solar sun with the planets, like Earth and the Moon, and the surrounding stars like this. But this is a simple cloud, basically mainly water even. A cloud of water, and this black stuff is water, but nobody that is not illuminated about other source not illuminating back. Okay, it gives the light but not illuminates.
So as we look out into the universe,
Okay, so now let me clarify this. Everything was made underwater. All the planets, or there, these guys are speaking about an asteroid, Bennu. Okay, so all the solar system, all the planets, all that are made under the water. And but these clouds, okay, they are clouds. Our galaxy, it is like a sphere, like this, and there is a saint even in 350. A Greek saint, Basil the Great. You were wonder if this problem was if there were many skies, not the universes. This is a trick word, like mainly used surely after, after 1900s in philosophical papers like William James and Pragmatism and see universe. This term is a trick term. The Greek term was the cosmos, like everything, all the creation. But it's telling you the saints before all the astronomy. You see, in 300s that the were skies before ours. Skies, not universes. Skies before ours.
so as we look out into the universe,
So this is about where the life originated, and you see, so there was our galaxies made underwater, and I began to tell you this saint asked himself, because what the wizard was already the question if were many galaxies like ours before. You see, like you are saying galaxy in universe, it's a trick word. This is a star, you can name it galaxy, and our galaxy is the only galaxy, if you understand, and we cannot see. But he was wondering, because the question was put in his century, if there could maybe other galaxies like ours. It is a sphere, and he compared like he bubbles in waters, like you make bubbles in water. And this is a book asking about creation in 350 after Christ. Says God could make many like this, like bubbles in the waters, because our galaxy, it is a sphere. It is not a spiral. It is not spiral like this. This is a simple cloud. But if you understand, our galaxy was made underwater, like was containing pieces like this. You see, copper, gold, iron, and all the asteroids, rocks like this. God didn't in the Bible is not saying when the matter was created. Only like in the beginning, a philosophical manner. In the beginning, God created the skies and earth, like the matters. Okay, so then the earth was. He speaks about what earth. And he creates many times. That's why this universe is a trick, okay? And he says there's a spirit of God of above, deep of the waters. So you do not pay attention to the Bible. It is telling you it was a sphere like a cloud like this, a big cloud full of rocks like this, full of matter, all the Mendeleev matter that is known, with gold, with everything else. But basically was water. It's saying that the spirit of God of the above the deep or of the water, and split the water in two. He says, like in the middle, like you create a void, and all the planets were coagulating in water. So NASA searched for water, but Mars planet, Jupiter is made from water. Even in Pluto planet, you see blue, you see water. Okay, so tricking you that it made from gases. And but these clouds also are simply clouds. The stars are made also in water. The water produces electric current exactly like a cloud and ignites this. and we cannot see this universe term because you must go through a membrane made of thick clouds of water and light and to go to see the universe. Maybe you'll see what these saints in 350 said. Maybe there are many galaxies like bubbles of water, and in this manner you'll understand the Bible is not presenting to you only like a philosophical matter. In the beginning God created the earth and the sky, you see, and they were asking themselves, because this was by Maxim, another saint said that it was in Ambigua, the book, so it said that it was a sphere like our galaxy, or like you say universe.
So as we look out into the universe,
The sum of these galaxies is not the universe, if you understand. A trick in 1900s. So this is the video for today. Was everything was made in water, so you can find proofs of water, carvings with water and coagulated under the water. Saint Peter says in the second letter, they forget intentionally that the skies were but wool, but not ours, angels, and the angels do not live here. Another switch of conceptual switch, they were, if you search for intelligent life, extraterrestrial were named angels. Everybody in the old time, angels, even gods, like Greeks called them gods, and Indians, and okay, these angels, the rational beings, they are similar with our rationality, but they do not live here, because you believe that this is stars with planets, with rock, billions of stars with billions of planets, and this is false. Okay, so this is the video for today. I promise it will make on entire year or earth of videos of Brian Greene. He invites guys on his channel, so this is my channel about we can go here, man, we can go here. So